Good afternoon, students. In last video, we had seen the introduction part for chapter 4, Life Mathematics. So here, we're going to solve exercise 4.1. The first Roman letter is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, you can answer by seeing the introduction video. Now, the second question is rewrite each underlined part using percentage language. So for this 5 question, you need to write the percentage language. In percentage, you have to write. If we see the first question, 1/2 of the cake is distributed to the children. Okay, 1/2 of the cake is distributed to the children. So whole cake means one cake. Half of the cake is distributed. So half of the cake means what is the percentage of the cake. So first we need to write 1/2. That means 1/2. If for percentage we need to multiply with 100. So 1/2 into 100. If we cancel, we will get 50. So 50% of the cake is distributed to the children. Like that you need to write. So Aparna scored 7.5 points out of 10 in a competition. So out of 10, 7.5. So in percentage, how to write? So 7.5 divided by 10 into 100. If we cancel, we will get what? 75%. So in percentage, we need to write this. So rest of the sum you have to write. Now we will solve the third sum. 48 is 32% of which number? Okay, 48 is 32% of which number they asked. So now let the number required to be found be x. So we don't know the number, so we can keep it as x. Now given that 32% of x is 48. Okay, so 32% of our number is, answer is what? 48. Now 32 divided by 100. So why we are using 100 means in percentage always we have to divide with 100. Okay, calculated by the number 100. So 32 divided by 100 into x, their number is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48. We have to bring this 32 to the right hand side. So here it's in fraction. If it comes here, it will become reciprocal. 100 by 32. When we cancel 4 times, here 6 times. Understand? So when we cancel, we'll get 3 into 100 by 2. So 3 into 100 by 2. So 300 by 2. When we cancel this, we'll get what? 150. So x is equal to what? 150. So 150 of 30% is what? 48. Understand? Only we need to multiply with the number, that is x, and divide by the percentage 100. We see this fourth question. What is 25% of 30% of 400? We need to find for 30% and also the 25%. So required to find 25% of 30% of 400. First 30% of 400 is 30 by 100 into 400. When we cancel, we will get 120. Now next 25% of the above is 25 divided by 100 into 120 is equal to, when we cancel this, we will get 30. Understand? Read the question. What is the 25% of 30% of 400? So 30% of 400, the answer should be calculated with 25%. So we will get 30. Understand? So now the fifth question. Listen carefully. If a car is sold for 2 lakhs from its original price of 3 lakhs, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. Okay, the car, the original price is 3 lakh, they sold for 2 lakh. So what is the percentage of decrease in the value of the car? So first, the original price of the car is equal to 3 lakh, then actual selling price of car equal to 2 lakh, then decrease in amount from original. That means we have to subtract 3 lakh minus 2 lakh is equal to 1 lakh rupees decreased. So we need to show in a percentage value. So percentage decrease is equal to decrease divided by original value into 100. Okay, the amount decreased, that is 1 lakh decreased divided by original value into 100. So decreased value is 1 lakh divided by 3 lakh. Original value is 3 lakh into 100. So when we cancel this, we will get 100 by 3. If we divide 100 by 3, we will get 33 1 by 3%. So they have decreased 33 1 by 3%. Understand? Then The sixth question. If the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5, then find 20% of that number. Okay, if the difference between 75%, okay, when we subtract a number 75% and same number of 60%, we'll get what? 82.5, the answer. Then find the 25% of that number. The same number we have to find 20%. Now, given that 75% of number less 60% of the number is 82.5, already given in the question. So let the number be x. Always we have to keep the number should be x, okay, because we don't know the number, so we can keep it as x. So 75% of x is 75 by 100 into x. Subtract minus 60 by 100 into x, 60%. 75% of x minus 60% of x is equal to, the answer is given 82.5. Now we can keep it as 82.5 on the right hand side. Here if we cancel, we will get 0.75. Okay, 175 will be cancelled with 0.75x minus 0.60x is equal to 82.5. Okay, when we subtract this 75x minus 0.60x, we will get 0.15x. 0.15 x is equal to 82.5. Now x is equal to, we have to bring this number on the right hand side. So 0.15 to the right hand side, it's in multiplication. If it comes this side, it will become what? Division. So 82.5 divided by 0.15. When we cancel, how to cancel this? Here decimal number is there. If a decimal number is there, we have to convert into whole number. Understand? So whole number here 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit is there, so we need to multiply with 100 both numerator and the denominator. Understand? If we multiply with 100, we will get 8250 on the numerator, here 15 on the denominator. Understand? So why we are multiplying with 100 means, after decimal here 1 digit is there, here 2 digit is there, the greatest digit is 2, so we need to multiply with 100. If after decimal, if we have 3 digit, we have to multiply with 1000 on both numerator and the denominator. So 8250 divided by 15 is equal to 550. When we divide, the answer is 550. This rough column and all we have to do in your rough note. Okay, so while copying these sums, you have to do the rough columns, cancellation, everything. So required to find 20% of number, that is 20% of x is equal to, a number is what? 20 divided by 100 into x is equal to 20 divided by 100 into, what is the value for x? 550. So into 550. When we cancel this, we will get 110. The 110 is the required answer. Understand? Now the seventh question. A number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. If the number increased 18%, the answer should be 236. Understand? While reading the word problem, you have to understand the question carefully. Now, let the number be x. Let the number be what? X. Given that when it is increased by 18%, we get 236. Understand? A number, we don't know the number, so always we can keep it as x. Now x plus, we are increase means what? We are adding what? 18% of the number. So 18%, 18 by 100 into x, 18% of the x. So 18 by 100 into x is equal to 236, the answer. Okay, now we can cross multiply 100 into x. Okay, 100 into x, 100x plus 18 into x, 18x divided by 100. So denominator is 100, so we need to cross multiply. 100x plus 18x divided by 100 is equal to 236. So 100x plus 18x, 118x, we can add this. So 118x divided by 100 is equal to 236. The number x is equal to, so we need only what? X. So we can bring this x to the next side, or we can bring this 118 by 100 to the right hand side. Here it's in fraction. If it's come this side, it will become what? reciprocal. So 236 into 100 by 18. This here 118 by 100 will become as 100 by 118. When we cancel this, we will get 200. The 200 is the answer. Understand? So like that you have to do rest of the sums. So I will attach the PDF along with the sum. You have to copy down in your note. This exercise 4.1 is the portion for second midterm. So listen the video carefully and do the sum. A number when decreased by 20% gives 80. Find the number. So when a number is decreased 20%, so the same, let the number be x. Then we are decreasing. So x minus 20 by 100 into x is equal to 80. So last sum, the seventh sum model only. So here we are subtracting. Okay. So you have to do that sum, 8 sum. That is your homework. Then a number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in that number. Okay. So here increased 25%, then decreased 20%. First, let the number be x. We don't know the number. We can keep it as x. First, it is increased. Okay, increased means we need to add. So x plus 25 by 100 into x. The number plus 25% increased to the same number is equal to 125 by 100 x. Okay. So secondary, it is decreased by 20%. So 20% decrease means we need to subtract. So here 125 x by 100 minus 20 by 100 into 125 by 100 x. Okay. So because here x is equal to what? 125 x by 100. So we are substituting the value. Here 125 by 100 x into 80 by 100. So here we are cancelling. So is equal to x. Now we get back x. Therefore there is no change. Hence percentage change in that number is 0%. Here another method also is there. So we will do the another method. Can you understand this question? So here the first is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in that number. So here the 0%. The change is what? 0%. When you see the next sum, the ratio of boys and girls in a class is 5:3. If 16% of boys and 8% of girls failed in an examination, then find the percentage of passed students. So this 10th and 11th sum. 10th sum and rest of the sums we will see in the next video. So watch the video carefully and do the given sums. Copy down in your classwork. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, students. Have a good day.